Energy. Energy is the ability to do things. People use energy every day. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it can change from one form to another. The two types of energy. Potential energy. Potential energy is energy stored in a body, system, or thing. If you are picking something up, it is said the thing contains potential energy. If you drop it, it becomes kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. The word kinetic came from the Greek word meaning to move. The word energy is the ability to move. Kinetic energy is the ability to do work. The faster the body, the more kinetic energy is produced. The 7 forms of energy. Sound energy. Sound energy is the energy produced by sound vibrations as they travel through a specific place. Sound vibrations cause waves of pressure which lead to some level of compression. Nuclear energy. The sun and stars are inexhaustible sources of energy. That energy is the result of nuclear reactions, in which matter is converted to energy. These changes are called nuclear reactions. Energy created in a nuclear reaction is called nuclear energy. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is a chemical reaction or absorbed in the formation of a chemical compound. A chemical compound is a pure chemical substance consisting of 2 or more different chemical elements that can be separated by chemical reactions. Heat energy. The heat energy of a substance is determined by how active its atoms and molecules are. A hot object is one of whose atoms and molecules are excited and show rapid movement. A cooler object's molecules and atoms will be less excited and show less movement. Heat energy is a form of energy which transfers among particles and by means of kinetic energy of those particles. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is the presence and flow of an electric charge. Electrical energy can be generated using a variety of means. The burning of fossil fuels or the heat from nuclear reactions produces steam that powers a generator when then creates electricity. Biomass energy. Biomass is a renewable energy source. Trees, yard clippings, wood chips and garbage are often used to be burned into biomass energy. Biomass is commonly plant matter grown to generate electricity or produce heat, usually by direct incineration. Light energy. Light energy is energy which lets us see clearly so that we can read, write, work and play. A light bulb produces a lot of light energy. The more watts a light bulb or lamp has, the more light it produces. Energy resources. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is the use of sustained nuclear fission to generate heat and do useful work. Nuclear power plants provide about 6% of the world's energy and 13 to 14% of the world's electricity. Wind power. Wind power is the conversion of wind energy into a useful form of energy, such as using wind turbines to make electricity, windmills for mechanical power, wind pumps for water pumping or drainage, or sails to propel ships. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are fuels formed by natural processes such as anaerobic, not using oxygen, decomposition of buried dead organisms. The age of the organisms and their resulting fossil fuels is typically millions of years, and sometimes reaches 650 million years. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is thermal energy generated and stored in the earth. Geothermal power in New Zealand is a small but significant part of the energy capacity of the country, providing approximately 10% of the country's electricity with installed capacity of over 600 megawatts. Hydropower. Hydropower, hydraulic power, or water power is power that is derived from the force or energy of moving water, which may be harnessed for useful purposes. Hydropower was used for operation of various machines, such as water mills, lifts, and lots more. Solar power. Solar power is the conversion of sunlight into electricity, either directly using photovoltaics, a method of generating electrical power, or indirectly using concentrated solar power. Concentrated solar power systems use tracking systems to focus a large area of sunlight into a small beam. Photovoltaics convert light into electric currents. Remember, always save energy! Thanks for watching my slideshow on energy.